What's going on, everyone? This is week 3 of me making this video. No, never mind. This is week 4 of me making this kind of video. As you can see, we are now at 2:33 from I think our last update. We was at about
So
159. So in about a week or so, we almost made over almost $100. It's more like around like 80 something dollars, I believe. Which is not too bad. BTC price has been going great lately, but yeah. So we're up from 159 to 233. So now we're gonna start seeing a real profit because I have all the computers and all the CPU working properly now. So yeah, this is week 3. We are at 238. I'll make another video next week, and we'll see where we at.